Hello. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how DocuWare uses their DocuWare platform to process expense reports internally. And I'm going to start by opening DocuWare's Paper Scan application, which is a mobile application for capturing paper documents, and hover my phone over the top of a single receipt here, and note that it identifies the edges of the document when I take the picture. The picture will be presented to me in a fashion that allows me to crop it so that I'm not storing extra elements of the image and making it very easy to identify. When I store that, I very simply select the image, click on Share to DocuWare, and the document image will be pushed into the cloud or into your premise system for the next steps. It'll be represented in the document tray. So I'm going to go to my already open browser instance of DocuWare, and here we'll see that document land shortly in this document tray. And here it is in that document tray. We can open that image and view it by simply double-clicking on it, and there we can see the image itself. Second of all, as part of our process, we actually attach a Excel spreadsheet which describes all the activity for a given week. And I am going to grab my expense report, which has been done in an Excel spreadsheet, and I'm going to drag it on top of my document tray. So now I have two documents in the document tray, and I very simply select the Excel spreadsheet first and the receipt second. I will clip these together so they'll be acted upon as a single document regarding the expense report process. Storing that is as simple as clicking on Store and telling the system that I want to store an expense claim. Here it will open the first page of the document, and as I scroll here to the bottom right, I can very simply enter the total amount for the week and select the week ending, which is represented by this calendar here, and it happens to be the 24th, Saturday the 24th as the week ending date, and I submit that into the DocuWare system. The DocuWare system stores those clipped records and presents them to my manager and to a number of other individuals in the organization for processing. So very simply, if I want to go see where that particular expense report is in the process, I can go to my search screen and search for the week ending of the 24th. And when I execute that search, it will present the document to me and tell me that its status is that it has been submitted and it has not been approved. So there's the additional data here has not been filled out, the approved by date, who coded it, the amount that was paid, etc. But if I go back and I take a peek at previous expense reports, and let's just assume that I'm looking for, let's clear this entire search screen, and I'll search for all expense reports that I have submitted over time into the system. We'll note that most recently I have this $82.37 receipt for the week ending 8/6/24. But additionally, I have a number of other paid and rejected expense reports in the system. To view previous expense reports, in this particular situation, I have access to only my own expense reports. We can see that this second one down has been approved, and it was approved on 6/22. It was coded on 6/22, and the paid amount was, where's the amount? $684. To actually view that particular document, I simply click on the line item indicating that record, and we will see the document presented to us for review. The very first page of the document offers the Excel spreadsheet, which I attach to all my receipts, and we'll note that here are the various coded amounts that were paid. Here's the approval by my manager. Here is the paid date and who it was paid by, and each individual that took action against that expense report over its processing period has placed a stamp on it identifying what they did and when they did it. I hope that helps and gives you some insight on how you might be able to use DocuWare for your expense reporting. Thank you.